Break the ice. To start a conversation in a social setting, first up we have break the ice. This phrase is used when you start a conversation in a social setting, especially when the atmosphere feels awkward and tense.
In audio. In audio.
Welcome back to Learn English with Sakil. In today's video, we are diving into 10 common English phrases that will make your conversation more natural and fluent. Whether you are a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, these phrases are perfect for everyday use. Let's get started. Break the ice. To start a conversation in a social setting, hit the nail on the head. To be exactly right about something. Under the weather, feeling ill or sick. Bite the bullet, to endure a painful situation with courage. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret. Cut to the chase, to get to the point without wasting the time. Burn the midnight oil, to work late into the night. Let the cat out of the bag, to accidentally reveal a secret. Throw in the towel, to give up or admit defeat. And that's it for today. These phrases are sure to enhance your English speaking skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.